macOS Tahoe brought us the liquid glass look, which can be nice in some cases but also distracting when your screen elements are a little too transparent. There's no single switch to turn off liquid glass, but there are a few settings you can change to minimize the effect. If you go to Settings and then go to Appearance, you'll see a setting for liquid glass where you can choose a clear or a tinted option. The tinted option reduces the glassy look, but you might notice that even with that option enabled, your Mac still looks awfully glassy at times. If you want to take it a step further, go to Accessibility and click Display, then toggle on Reduce Transparency. This minimizes all transparency system-wide and makes a big difference. Not necessarily a pretty option, but it's the best you can do if you want to minimize the liquid glass look. Hope that helps. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more quick and easy guides like this. Thanks all. I'll see you in the next video.